Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the Lepro LED strip, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Lepro LED strip light, a power adapter, a smart controller, mounting clips and screws, a user manual, and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. To install the LED strip light, first clean and dry the mounting surface for better adhesion. Peel off the protective backing and attach the LED strip to your desired location using the included mounting clips and screws for secure placement. Connect the strip to the smart controller, plug in the power adapter, and turn on the lights. Complete the setup through the Lepro app to customize colors, brightness, and lighting modes. How to pair? To pair the LED strip light, download the Lepro app and create an account. Turn on the light strip, add a new device in the app, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it. Once paired, you can control colors, brightness, lighting modes, and smart features directly from your smartphone. Smart features? Create personalized lighting effects with smart color scenes that match your mood. Adjust colors and brightness easily to enhance your room atmosphere. Sync your lights with music beats for dynamic color changes. Enjoy immersive lighting effects perfect for parties, gaming, and entertainment. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Lepro LED strip light. See you in the next one.